Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to see thermodynamic processes. When a system changes its state from one equilibrium macro state to another equilibrium macro state, then the path of successive states through which the system has passed is known as thermodynamic processes. The initial and final states are the defining elements of the process. Say in this process, a system starts from initial state 1 described by a pressure P1, volume V1 and a temperature T1, passes through various quasi-static states to final state 2 described by a pressure P2, volume V2 and a temperature T2. In this process, energy may be transferred from R into the system and can be done by R on the system. One example of thermodynamic process is increasing the pressure of the gas while maintaining a constant temperature. Classification of thermodynamic processes. There are several specific types of thermodynamic processes that happens frequently enough in practical situations that they are commonly deals in the study of thermodynamics. Generally, all the thermodynamic processes are classified into the following two groups. First one, flow processes. Second one, non-flow processes. Flow processes. The processes occurring in an open system which permits the transfer of mass to and from the system are known as flow processes. It may be noted that in a flow processes, the mass enters the system and leaves after enhancing energy. The flow processes may be steady flow and non-steady flow processes. The common examples of steady flow processes are flow-through nozzles, turbines, compressors, etc. And the common examples of non-steady flow processes are filling or evacuation of vessels. Non-flow processes. The processes occurring in a closed system which do not permit the transfer of mass across their boundaries are known as non-flow processes. It may be noted that in a non-flow process, the energy crosses the system in the form of heat and work, but there is no mass flow into or out of the system. A reversible process. In thermodynamics, a reversible process is defined as the process that can be reversed by inducing infinitesimal changes to some property of the system. It leaves no change in either the system or surrounding. During the reversible process, the entropy of the system does not increase and the system is in thermodynamic equilibrium with its surroundings. This is possible if the net of heat and net work exchange between the system and the surrounding is zero for the combined process. That is original and reverse. Reversible processes actually do not occur in nature. Irreversible process. In thermodynamics, an irreversible process is defined as the process that cannot be reversed, which cannot return both the system and the surrounding to their original conditions. During irreversible process, the entropy of the system increases. Thank you.